Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how we're going to be making this animation using prototypes in Figma for a loading screen. So let's get started. Let's get started. Okay, so first you need to create a frame. Just create a frame like this, and you can change the color using the fill. Okay, or what you can also do is use a pre-made frame. Okay, and to do that, just go into this option, go into desktop, and then just choose the desktop option, and you will get a pre-made frame that basically looks like this. Okay, now to make this text, it's very simple. All you need to do is choose the text option, and then just type in the text like this. Okay, and then you can change the color. So remove the fill, add a stroke, and just increase the size of the stroke. Okay, and you need to use the same font that I am using in this one. Okay, and you can play around with this to get the stroke right. Okay, so the next one is how do you create the second effect. So first let's complete this. I'm just going to duplicate this because this is done. So that's how you would have this. Next we're going to have the other one, and we're going to combine these two later on. That's how prototyping works. So you need to have the same exact thing, by the way, same name for the text, background, and everything else, just so you know. That's why the names are the same. Okay, so what you're doing here is creating a mask, and you're adding a text and then a background to that using this rectangle. Now I've duplicated both of these, and I have two texts now on top of each other. So what I'm going to do is add a shape. Okay, I'm going to select one of the text, and I'm going to make them into a mask, as you can see. And I'm going to add a fill to this, remove the stroke, and I'm going to bring down the shape. So now I'm just going to duplicate this, okay? And and I'm going to bring this back up, okay? And the first one has the the rectangle down, okay? So I'm going to keep the names the same for both of these frames. So next, what I'm going to do is going to prototype, and I'm going to connect it. I'm going to connect the first one to the second one, and because both of them have the same name, I am going to use after delay, and I'm going to do 1 millisecond. Okay, and I'm going to choose smart animate. I'm keeping it 1000 milliseconds for 1 second, and let's preview this. Now as soon as it loads, you can see, there we go, it is doing the animation. So I hope you liked this tutorial of a loading screen. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.